Hi there. I have just come back from England after doing a neurolinguistic course with Mark Dawes and his guests. What an amazing transformation in just 1 week. I feel so much more clear. I've been able to shift old traumas. I've been able to understand what manifesting is. And Mark just has the finest, most simple, humankind way, with a great sense of humor, of how to make you understand the science. So this week I was working again, and last night I had a new customer. I thought, okay, so now you try and put that into work, what you have learned, just because you understand it better. I do lymph drainage. I'm a beautician, so I'm working with my hands, but also with machines. And I know that there is the power of touch. I know that. And after COVID, there were a lot of customers that would just start falling asleep because they were so stressed and felt so separated. And that's what COVID did. But because we had a mask on, I mean, of course, the customer wouldn't have a mask, but I had a mask. So I said, I'd rather that we don't talk and we leave all the bad vibes outside. And as a result, there was just nice music playing. And it was very easy just to calm down and go into a flow, an energetic flow. And all of a sudden, I started realizing during this energy flow that I was getting a lot calmer, a lot deeper, but I didn't understand what was happening. And customers sometimes would come out of the treatment and say, oh God, I feel so different, or I look so different. Look how, everything is softened, or how did you do that? I fell fast asleep. And I had to answer, I don't know. Mark explains this one-to-one. He took the time to talk to me personally, which I so much appreciated. And as I had my customer last night, I thought, okay, so let's see if we can go into these delta waves a little bit more. And I started meditating while treating, because we don't talk. There's music in the background. Space is good, you're calm, you're rested, you're safe. And then I can go into a deep wave of, where does that come from? From a deep place of love and compassion and safety. And she fell asleep. And after the treatment, I gave her a mirror, and she says, I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before. How did you do that? I explained in short, well, you really were able to relax. And there's deep, deep healing in that, when you are able to relax. The lower you go with your delta waves, if you are able to do this and really, really relax, you can heal from a place of love and joy and compassion. Thank you, Mark. You've opened up a whole new, endless possibility for me, and I'm sure that we're going to see one another soon. Thank you, and God bless.